Hello everyone. Today we are showing you this endoscope, 50 feet. Comes in a really nice carrying case. Comes with your lenses, your charging cable, and your manual. So this is what it is. You get plenty of cable length, and what's nice about these is look at this. Look how flexible that is. You can twist it and turn it to your needs. You have LEDs on the front, LEDs on the bottom with the bottom camera. So you got two cameras, one on the front, one on the bottom. And this is your handheld screen. They give you a TF card already. That TF card is a 32 gigabyte. On button right here. Now you wait. Alright, so here you have different modes. You take photos, slide this over for video, slide this over to view your photos and videos, slide this over to settings, resolution, we're going to up this to 1920 by 1080, brightness, rotate, format, and just goes over a couple things there. Okay, now here we are recording. So you guys can see, you can rotate the camera. Okay, so here's the other camera. So again, as you can see, we're blocked off the one camera. You can adjust the brightness, so by turning this, so you can have it super bright, or you can have it off. This is great for working on vehicles. This is great for looking down your pipes. So let's go ahead and fully test it.